Hi, I'm Roger Bindle, and if you're like us and have a lot of garlic in your garden that is growing from seeds from the previous year or bulbs that you didn't pick, here's a quick and easy way on how to clean them so you can pickle them or can them or preserve them in some way for future years. They're really, really good if you pickle them in vinegar, and the vinaigrette itself is really good. So I got two different ones, one that's still a single bulb clove, and then the ones that have started developing into individual cloves. You need to cut them back a little bit further, but this is how you do it. With the single one, you just cut off the end and squeeze it out. If you got the one with the multiple cloves on it, you just need to cut a little bit more, but again, just squeeze them out. Goes pretty quickly. It's a lot quicker than trying to do them individually, cutting off the roots and cutting off the stems and then peeling them back. At first I tried cleaning them by cutting off the top and peeling it back individually. That takes much more time than to just cut it off and squeeze it out. And like I said, they're really tasty when you pickle them in vinegar. So overall, the process works really good. You can see with the single cloves, it takes off that tough husk on the outside. With the individual one, the ones that have formed the multiple cloves, you can see it's got a lot of the husk in there that you need to get rid of. But overall, you'll see that most of them are pretty clean. What I'm finding is that some of them you can just squeeze them and the husk will come off of them where they are left behind. The multiple ones like this are a little bit harder, but if you squeeze hard enough, you can see the husk comes off. And the further you cut back, the better they pop out of the husk. If you know somebody like me that has a lot of garlic growing in the garden, take some. We have thousands of them growing in our garden and happy to provide them to our friends and family. Oh, but I forgot to mention, you're going to have to clean them yourself. I'm not going to clean them for you. Happy pickling, happy garlic. This is Roger Bindle, cleaning up my garlic for pickling.